All right, here we are. We made it to Hilton Head Island, South Carolina. We're on the beach. But wait, how did we get here? Why don't we show them? All right, we are ready to go. Destination plugged in, navigate on autopilot ready, and it's telling us that if we stick to its plan, we'll arrive at 9% charge. But we do have one stop at the brand new Macon Supercharger, which I'm excited to check out. And we'll just charge up a little bit longer there, so we arrive with maybe 20% instead of 9. I think we're ready to go. All right, folks, here we are. We're in the Batmobile. We're ready to go. Headed to Hilton Head, South Carolina for vacation. First Tesla road trip of 2019. The last one I did last year was in the Model S, heading all the way down to Oldsmar, Florida, Tampa, Florida. Today, it's a shorter trip, still about 4 or 5 hours with one stop for charging. But we are definitely ready, packed and ready to go. It's a beautiful day here in sunny Atlanta. And do you ever get the feeling you're forgetting something?
Yes, I feel we forgot something.
Wait, what could it be? We got the luggage, got the laptops, got the cameras.
Yep,
tripods, beach stuff, clothes.
Yeah.
I know what it is. There, that's better. Wait, turbines of speed? No? Batmobile? Get it? No? Too much?
A little bit.
Too much. All right. Yeah, that was a bit too much.
Yeah.
It was probably better. All right, folks, we're going to hit the road. We'll stop along the way, give you videos along the way, show you what it's like to take a Tesla on a road trip. All right, let's hit it. Ready?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Let's do it. All right, we're making one more lane change before the first exit to, our next exit to the Supercharger. I can see it on the map. There we go. And it's showing me that there are 4 stalls of the 10 available, which is good to know ahead of time. So there should be no wait. And we should be good to go. So it's one of the upgraded 150 kilowatt max chargers. And we will check it out and see what the charging speed is. Also, let's take a look at the energy
now
use.
Take exit 169 on the right.
And it looks like we're going to arrive right as
In
it
1,000
predicted.
feet, turn right onto
At
our side road.
65% battery. All right, here's a pro tip. So we pulled in, and the first stall we pulled into was only charging at about roughly 140 miles of range per hour. This one, we decided, hey, it should be faster than that, and we moved like to the other side of the Supercharger lot, which there's, by the way, there's only one other car here charging. And just plugging into that one more than doubled the speed we're getting. So now we're getting close to 400, 450. I've seen it go up and down miles of range per hour, which is going to significantly cut down the amount of time we need to charge. Now, this is the other thing that people need to realize too, is that you don't need to charge up to 100% or 90% everywhere you stop. The car is going to tell you how much you need to charge before you can continue your trip and make it at your, make it to your destination with some charge left over. Now, you can always stay longer, and I do that from time to time. I stay like 5 or 10 minutes longer just to get more of a cushion, because like I said, I like to arrive with a minimum of 10%, and on this one we might arrive with closer to 10 or 20%, just so we have enough juice to roll around in case we don't charge at the hotel right away. We are making our way to Hilton Head, South Carolina, and we have just a little bit to go. Still about an hour and a half before we get in the area. Victoria has decided that we should stop at the Savannah Supercharger because just in case the hotel can't charge us, just in case, we would have more juice in the battery.